So I was doing a lot of research when I was searching for something which would be, free from chemicals, free from toxins, which would be more plant-based, and that is how I discovered this range, which is the Mystiq Living range. And all their products are amazing. They are all toxin-free, chemical-free. They are Ayurvedic. There's no paraben, no silicone, and they are even cruelty-free. So this range has 3 products. So first is their toner, which is the Toner Calm Face Mist. Then I also have their face mask. It is their Clarity face mask, and I also have a Clarity day and night gel. Products I was using earlier for combating my acne was not chemical free. So what was happening is the result did not last very long. I used to keep getting back the acne. So I made sure that I find something which is free from all these harmful chemicals, and that is why I stuck to Mystiq Livings. So after using it for 30 days, I can clearly see the results, which are very long lasting. I do not get any more acne on my face at all, and you can see my face is fully clear, and it does not have any sort of acne or acne marks or any texture. It's smooth and clear. If you are searching for something which is free from chemicals, parabens, toxins, and Ayurvedic plant based, now what this will do is it will help in giving you long lasting results.